We got it. AirPods Max, y'all. AirPods Max. I am driving to another mall to pick up the AirPods Max, which I am really excited to try out. I didn't even think I was gonna buy it. I checked the Apple website last night at like midnight, and there was one left. It was in Houston, which is like 2.5 hours away from Austin. And I thought, what the hell? Here's $600, Apple, take my money. Let's go to Houston. I love the traffic cop with the cowboy hat. Good touch. Hashtag Texas life. So it looks like we're almost at the Apple store here, and I can't wait to try out the AirPods Max in terms of sound quality, especially. See if it's worth $550 freaking dollars. What? All right, y'all, we made it to the mall. This is my second mall visit in like a month, all because of Apple. And luckily this mall in Houston looks like it's an outdoor mall, so there's not gonna be any particles of Rona trying to flow right into my nose, into my face. All right, so let's find the Apple store. Let's see where it's at. All right, looks like we found it, y'all. Of course, glass box. All right, y'all, AirPods Max. We got it. This is the last one they had. Even the security guard on my way out was like, "Did you just get that extra one?" I was like, "Hell yeah." I'm gonna keep this thing close because I'm not trying to get robbed. First things first, gonna sanitize these hands though. I'm not trying to get the Rona. Trust nobody. I'm not gonna talk a lot about the specs of AirPods Max. I'm really just gonna open this box, and since I have a 2.5 hour drive home, I'm just gonna test these out and see what they sound like listening to some music. So this is gonna be more of a first impressions, you know, how is the noise canceling when you're driving around in the car. Let's open the box. This is gonna be the most informal unboxing video I have ever done. It's just sitting in between my legs in my car. Seems like this gets slower and slower every time the box is, oh crap. The AirPods just fell completely out of the box onto the ground. I hope I didn't mess them up already. The case kind of looks like SpongeBob's butt cheeks or something, so I don't know what Apple was thinking with this design, but I'll give it to Apple though. They're so good at making these like iconic designs that are unforgettable. Like this is already implanted and burned into my memory. There's no way I can unsee this. And if you're watching right now, you're probably gonna have a nightmare about this design tonight. There's a lot of like crap talk about this case already, and I totally understand that because this is a really awkward design and this is really hard to get out. Also in the box is some paper, and then we get a lightning to USB-C cable, and that's pretty much all that's inside the box. So first impressions of the build quality on these is they feel absolutely solid. The entire thing is made of metal, which Apple is super proud about, and they kind of should be because this feels incredibly high quality. And for $550, y'all, I have heightened expectations. As you can see, there's no Apple logo anywhere on these things, not even on the band or anything, which is an interesting flex. And I love the design of this ear cup. I think it's really beautiful. These ear cups actually are magnetic and they will just pop off. A little hard to do with one hand. And here's what the interior of the ear cup looks like. So it's got this nice little minimal pattern. This is the pink color, and it's kind of more a almost dark pink red kind of vibe. It's almost like an orangey salmony pink, like a dark salmon maybe. So it's not like hot pink. So on the interior of the cups, you can see that there's an L and then there's an R in the stitching. But the easy way on the AirPods Max to tell which one's right and left is going to be where the digital crown and the button are. Those are on the right side of the AirPods Max. And this is what they look like on my big old head. I have a kind of medium to normal sized head, I guess, and they fit really nicely on there. They do feel a little bit heavy, but not like insanely heavy. They just feel like nice quality headphones on my ear. The headband also feels really nice. It's not pressing too hard. But do y'all think I look like a cyborg? Like, do you think I look like I'm from the future? Traffic here in Houston gets absolutely bonkers, so I'm gonna make my escape right now. I'm gonna pair these to my phone, get on the road, and do some tests with some music. So let's get back on the road. All right, y'all, I had to stop and get out of my car because I was actually in my car listening to the AirPods Max and I started laughing. The sound quality in these headphones is so good, y'all. It's so good. I mean, for $550, these things better caress my innards. These headphones better make my soul want to reluctantly climb out of my body, enter another body, Matrix style, go back into the Matrix, and then take both the blue and the red pill to make a purple pill. So yeah, I have high expectations of the AirPods Max, okay? Have these met my expectations so far? I would say mostly yes. Audio quality is fantastic in these. I listen to all kinds of stuff from Tyler, the Creator, to Anna Monoguchi, Kyle Dixon, and Michael Stein's Stranger Things, some 80s music, synth pop, all kinds of stuff. And everything sounded really good in here. With newer stuff, especially with like drum and bass music, with electronic music, dance music, rap, hip hop, the AirPods Max sound amazing. We got plenty of bass going on. Not the bassiest headphones I've ever heard, but it just has a really nice, thumpy, balanced sound. The deep low rumbles are there. The mid-range is there. Vocals sound nice. Trebles are there. You hear really crispy hi-hats. What is happening with these? These things are magic. So that's why I'm laughing. That's why I had to stop my car in this random small town. And I'm really excited to try spatial audio out, especially with 5.1 surround kind of vibe, like watching videos and stuff. And I'll talk about that more when I do a more full, proper review. In terms of build quality, they feel super premium. They do feel a little bit heavy on my head, and my ears got kind of hot because they feel kind of tight to my head, and maybe they'll kind of break out a little bit as I use them. In terms of noise cancellation, the AirPods Max sound about the same, I would say, as the Sony 1000 XM3s, probably the XM4s as well. And they're doing a pretty good job of eliminating the road noise that you can hear in this video right now. And with the headphones on, I'm noticing, like, as I move my head to the left and right, I can hear the mics trying to analyze all of the noise, the road noise around me right now. So for road trips, I think the AirPods Max are actually really amazing. So some of y'all might be wondering what the mic quality is like on the AirPods Max. So that's what you're hearing right now. I'm curious as to how these work, you know, for Zoom and FaceTime and that kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment if you have tried the AirPods Max, or if you have a certain question about these headphones that you'd like me to answer, or something you want me to try out. Y'all have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe, of course. And yeah, I will see you in the next video.